What is stopping you from creating a life that you intentionally want to live? It makes me stop and think, what is the life I want to live? What lights me up? What are my passions? And what do I really love to do here? Creating lights me up. Sewing is a huge passion of mine, and I love experiencing things I have never experienced before. These things bring me so much inspiration in my life, and I'm learning that inspiration allows for more creativity, and more creativity allows for us to create the things we want in our life. So nothing is really stopping me. I'm just learning how to intentionally create it.